Everything you need in aluminum machining. Carlo Pro-A Mill. Pro-A Mill is an optimal tool for three-dimensional profiling and shouldering of aluminum. The buff mirror base on chip breaker makes the superior chip control and reduces built-up edge. The various production line of Pro-A Mill is able to process diverse functions, such as copying, slotting, shouldering, and ramping. Especially, not only is it equipped with a small insert for small part machining, but also with a through coolant and modular system which makes all types of aluminum processing possible. Following the AK insert that has worldwide reputation for its superior quality, Pro-A Mill achieves excellent surface roughness and tool life. Full lineup for various function in aluminum machining, Carlo Pro-A Mill. Make every desired machining come true.